Tax season's here. 2 top picks, 1 big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, H&R Block. Expert-backed, flexible tax filing for everyone. And on the right, Cash App Taxes. 100% free, fast, and simple filing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, before we dive right into it, here's a quick look at all the stuff we're going to be comparing today. We've got price, how easy each one is to use, the kind of support you get, coverage and features for different tax situations, and of course, platform and accessibility. We'll go category by category so you get the full picture. Let's start with price because, who doesn't care about that, right? So H&R Block will actually let you file simple federal and state returns for free, which is sweet. But once you need anything fancier, like, say, itemizing or dealing with side gigs, you're looking at paid plans. And those can get a little pricey compared to other services, especially since there's a $37 state fee unless your return's super basic. Now flip over to Cash App Taxes. This is where things get kind of wild. It's totally free, like not just the federal side, but state returns too. No surprise upsells, no hidden fees. The only catch? You got to use Cash App itself to file, and there are no paid upgrades. So if you need hand-holding or advanced help, you won't get it. For price, sorry H&R Block, but Cash App Taxes totally crushes it here. All right, let's talk about ease of use. H&R Block's online platform is seriously user-friendly. The interface? Modern, clean, and it even lets you upload docs, like actual PDFs, so you don't have to manually enter every number. The only thing is, when your tax situation gets more complicated, it's a few more steps, and yeah, you need to make an account, which isn't a huge deal, but still. Cash App Taxes, on the other hand, keeps things really simple. The workflow is quick, and you can use it on desktop or mobile. It's super streamlined, which is perfect if your taxes aren't crazy. The interface is definitely basic. Some folks might even say bare bones, so if you like fancy dashboards, it might not wow you. When it comes to user experience, honestly, they're pretty much neck and neck. Now, for support and help, and this is where the two start pulling apart. H&R Block has live chat, phone lines, and an online tax center. So if something weird pops up, there's someone to actually talk to. Even the free tier gets you help from real tax experts. And here's something cool. They've got in-person offices all over the place if you want to chat face-to-face. The catch? Sometimes you'll need a paid plan for that specialist level stuff. Now, Cash App Taxes. Well, it's all digital. There's a help center, but no live people you can ping. The guidance is pretty limited, so if you hit a snag, you might end up Googling answers. For support, honestly, H&R Block is the go-to if you want any sort of human contact or deep tax guidance. Oh, and did you know this? Cash App Taxes actually came out of what used to be Credit Karma Tax, and now it's totally free for everyone. Kind of wild how things evolve, right? Coverage and features is a biggie, like, can these actually handle your weird tax situation? H&R Block is honestly built for almost everything. It does basic returns, but also things like self-employment, crypto, rental income, investments, all that good stuff. And there are 4 plans to choose from, so you're covered whether your taxes are super simple or kind of wild. Of course, if you do run into advanced stuff, there's usually a fee, but at least you have options. Cash App Taxes, meanwhile, is great for standard situations, including itemizing, crypto sales through Cash App, and basic investments. But, and this is a biggie, it can't tackle things like multi-state returns, foreign income, or anything super complicated. No quarterly payment calculators for you freelancers out there either. Basically, unless your return's simple, H&R Block's got the edge. Last up, platform and accessibility. H&R Block's available on web, and there's a mobile app, so you can file wherever, whenever. You get data import-export options too, which is neat if you need to move info around. Thing is, the mobile version's not as fully tricked out as the desktop, so if you're all about that phone life, it's worth knowing. On the flip, Cash App Taxes, it's totally mobile first, and it's locked in with the Cash App ecosystem. If you already use Cash App, it's super smooth. Downside? You gotta have a Cash App account and, no dedicated desktop app. Both handle accessibility really well overall, but it depends how tied in you are with Cash App. So here's a quick side-by-side snapshot. Cash App Taxes is unbeatable on price. And H&R Block wins on support and coverage. For ease of use and accessibility, it's kind of a tie. You can see how each one stacks up depending on what you care about most. So here's my final take. If you need serious backup, like want access to real tax pros, have complicated taxes, or just love a little peace of mind with in-person help, H&R Block is the move. But if your taxes are straightforward and you just want to file fast, free, and digital, Cash App Taxes is honestly the easiest win. Just make sure you don't need super advanced forms or extra hand-holding. Was that helpful? Tax season doesn't have to be brutal. Seriously, pick the one that fits your needs and get your taxes filed with confidence this